In this video, we listed the 5 best CoreXY 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. QIDI Plus for 3D printer. The QIDI Technology X Plus 4 is a high-performance 3D printer designed for professionals and beginners alike, offering a large print size of 12 by 12 by 11 inches for efficient, multi-model printing. It features a high-speed CoreXY structure and an advanced active chamber heating system with 400 W power, dual-layer insulation, and air circulation to ensure consistent temperature, reducing warping and cracking when using high-temperature filaments. The printer supports a wide range of materials, including high-performance filaments like PPSCF and PPACF-GF, thanks to its upgraded 80 W high-temperature hot end that can reach up to 370 degrees Celsius. It is user-friendly, with a 10-minute setup, real-time monitoring via a mobile app or slicer software, a built-in HD camera, and a filament detection system to minimize waste. Built for durability, it includes an independent dual motor-driven Z-axis, a 6mm aluminum bed for enhanced flatness, and upgraded linear shafts and lead screws for high precision. Additionally, the X Plus 4 supports multicolor printing through its integrated filament cutter and compatibility with the upcoming QIDI Box automatic filament feeding system, set to launch in early 2025. The printer is compatible with various devices and operating systems and supports multiple file formats, making it versatile and efficient. Number 2. QIDI Q1 Pro 3D printer. The QIDI Technology Q1 Pro 3D printer is a high-performance, user-friendly device designed for precision and speed. Featuring a lightweight CoreXY system and dual Z-axis motors, it achieves printing speeds of up to 600 mm per second with an acceleration of 20,000 mm², ensuring high-quality results. It offers full auto calibration with intelligent sensors for filament detection, ensuring smooth and efficient printing. The printer includes an active heating chamber that maintains a controlled temperature of up to 60 degrees Celsius, improving print quality for materials prone to warping, such as ABS, PA, and PC. Compatible with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, ASA, PETG, TPU, PA, PC, carbon fiber, and glass fiber, it features a 350 degrees Celsius bimetal nozzle for versatile material use. Ready to print in just 10 minutes, the Q1 Pro is ideal for beginners and educational purposes. It also includes a 1080p HD camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography, remote control via a mobile app, and 32 GB of internal storage. Additionally, users can opt for an activated carbon air filter to ensure safer operation in well-ventilated areas. The printer is based on open-source Kipper software for customization and optimization. Number 3. FLASHFORGE AD5M 3D printer. The FLASHFORGE AD5M is a versatile 3D printer designed to cater to both beginners and experts, offering a seamless and stress-free creative experience. It supports multiple materials like PLA, silk, PETG, TPU, PLACF, and PETGCF, and features a robust CoreXY all-metal motion structure for high-speed, low-noise printing without compromising quality. The printer is equipped with advanced technologies, including a fully automatic one-click leveling system for precise calibration and a patent quick-release nozzle that allows for easy maintenance with multiple diameter options. Enhanced control is provided through the Orca FlashForge Slicer and Flash Maker app, enabling remote monitoring, parameter adjustments, and one-click batch file transmission. Additional features include a resume function for power outages and a flexible double-sided PEI steel plate for effortless model removal. Compact yet powerful, the AD5M is perfect for turning creative ideas into reality with ease and efficiency. Number 4. Sovol SV08 CoreXY 3D printer. The Sovol SV08 is a high-performance 3D printer designed for speed, precision, and versatility. Featuring CoreXY kinematics, it achieves a maximum speed of 700 mm per second and an acceleration of 40,000 mm², with a spacious printing volume of 350 by 350 by 345 mm for creative projects. Built on the open-source Voron 2.4 framework, it supports Orca Slicer, QIDI and Sovol software, offering advanced features like arc fitting, intelligent cooling, and optimized nozzle paths. The SV08 incorporates quad gantry auto leveling with 4 independent Z motors for enhanced accuracy and convenience. Powered by Clipper firmware, it ensures high-speed, vibration-free printing with advanced features like input shaping and pressure advance. The ceramic heating block and AC-powered heated bed enable rapid heating, while dual high-speed fans ensure effective filament cooling for improved print quality. Precision is further enhanced with all-axis linear rails, while a built-in camera and remote control capabilities allow real-time monitoring and time-lapse recording. With support for versatile materials and user-friendly operation, the SV08 is ideal for both enthusiasts and professionals. Number 5. ELEGOO MAZ 5 Ultra. The ELEGOO MAZ 5 Ultra is a high-performance laser 3D printer designed for precision, speed, and ease of use. Featuring a 7-inch 9K mono LCD with an 18 micrometers XY resolution, it delivers exceptional detail and texture fidelity for intricate designs. With its blazing fast print speed of up to 150 mm per hour and innovative tilt release technology, it ensures efficient printing without compromising quality. The AI camera provides real-time error detection, preventing costly failures and ensuring flawless results, while smart features like residue detection, resin shortage alerts, and automatic leveling enhance usability and minimize waste. Additionally, Wi-Fi cluster printing allows for synchronized control of multiple printers, boosting productivity for ambitious projects. With its plug-and-play setup and user-friendly design, the MAZ 5 Ultra is suitable for creators of all skill levels, offering a seamless and efficient printing experience.